Hi friends, we are just about done with chapter 9. Now we're going to do the review and test all together. For this, you're going to need a blue crayon and a green crayon for one of the problems. So if you don't have a blue or a green right now, why don't you pause the video and go get a blue and a green and come on back and unpause. All right, question number 1 here says, is the shape a circle? Choose yes or no. So these ones, remember, we want to go across and we bubble in our answer. So first, is this a circle? If it is, you bubble in yes. If it's not, we're going to bubble in no. So we know this shape is a circle, so we're going to bubble in yes. And it's also nice to circle it too, so you know that's definitely your answer. Here, is this a circle? Yes or no? Well, we know that's a rectangle, so no, it is not a circle. So we'll bubble that in. You can also circle no on that one. And the last one here, is that a circle? Yes or no? Yes, it is a circle, so I'm going to bubble that one in. And I'll circle it. Question 2, we're going to mark under the shapes that have curves. All right, remember curves. So I see a circle here. Does a circle have a curve? It does. I'm going to bubble that one. Does a triangle have a curve? No, so I'll leave that one blank. We know circles have curves. Let's bubble that one in. And do rectangles have curves? They do not, so we'll leave that one blank as well. Question number 3 wants us to count how many squares are in the picture. So if we look, we're looking for the squares. It's a triangle and a circle. There's a square and a square and a rectangle. So if I'm looking, I can count 1, 2 squares. And I'm going to write the number 2 there next to the word squares. Very nice. Let's turn the page. Question number 4. Look at the square. Write the number of sides on a square. So we're going to look at the square here, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So we'll write the number 4 right there. 4 sides. Question number 5, mark under all the shapes that are triangles. Remember, triangles have 3 sides, 3 vertices. Is this a triangle? 1, 2, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 vertices. Yep, that's a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, that's a square. No vertices, no sides. That's a circle. 1, 2, 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3 sides. Yep, there's another triangle. Question number 6, we're going to mark on each shape that has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So we're looking for the triangles. So you see a circle, there's a triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle. Those all have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Very nice. Let's go to the next page. All right. Question number 7 says, mark an X on the shape that is not a rectangle. So they kind of changed it on us. Usually we're putting an X on the shape that would be what they want. This time, which one is not? So which one of these is not a triangle or rectangle? Sorry, which one of these is not a rectangle? Well, that one is a rectangle. That one is not. So that's the one we're going to mark off. Question number 8. Draw a shape that is the same as the boxcars on the train. So if I see the boxes on the train, what shape are those? Are they rectangles or squares or triangles or hexagons? Well, if I look at them, they're rectangles. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. Question number 9, mark an X on all the hexagons. So 6 sides, 6 vertices. We have a square, oh, another hexagon, and a triangle, so we won't mark that one. Very nice. All right, let's turn. And on this page, question 10, match the shapes to the number with that many sides. So I see 4 sides, 3 sides, 6 sides. So we're going to connect the dots here. So a triangle has 3 sides. I'm going to look for the number 3, and then I'm going to connect those dots. A hexagon has 6 sides. So I'm going to look for the number 6, and I'll connect those dots. And then a square has 4 sides. There's the number 4, and I'll connect it all the way over there. Question number 11 wants us to look at the shapes. And we're going to use our crayons again. You'll need your blue and your green and your red. If you didn't get them yet, go get them now. And we're going to use red to color the shapes with 4 sides, green to color the shapes with curves, and blue to color the shapes with 3 vertices. So red for 4 sides. And remember, I don't have a red marker, so I'm using orange. So I know squares and rectangles have 4 sides. Green is for the curved shapes, so those are circles. And blue will be for 3 vertices. Oh, and it looks like I left one off. Another one with 4 sides and 4 vertices here. So I'm going to get that one too. Awesome. And the last question, question 12, draw the 2 shapes used to make the arrow. So if I look at these 2 shapes, I might want to just divide them up with my pencil. So here, could that be a triangle? I think it could. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to trace that. And then if I look at this just by itself, that looks like a rectangle. So I'm going to draw a triangle and a rectangle. And those are the 2 shapes that were used to make the arrow. Wow, you did such a nice job.